Hey guys, my Firmoo glasses came in the mail today. Let me tell you why I'm excited about these. The colorful glasses case is one of a kind, and on the inside you get a few more gifts as well. A stock card with an insightful quote, and this quote is deep because Firmoo is global. How about 50% off on all frames? These are prescription stylish glasses, and they're affordable. Let's try them on. Every part of these glasses felt absolutely perfect, from the non-reflective lenses to the jazzy frames. And I can wear my hair down or up. Either way, it looks absolutely perfect. Now let's get into the cost. These frames cost $25.99. They also come in various colors. See this? You absolutely need a pair. Now let's do some unboxing. When you open the case, your glasses will be in a soft fiber embroidered bag, just like this. Remember to use discount code MKBQ50 and receive 50% off. Be sure to click the link to these frames in the description box. And as an added bonus, save 50% on all frames using code ChrisKing50. Check more Firmoo styles by following them on Instagram and on Facebook. The links are in the description box. Firmoo has stylish glasses for everyone, and best of all, they're affordable. Hey, how do you like my Firmoo glasses?